spine phantom test for bone density scheme. Here we have a container full of water, actually 15 centimeters of water in a plastic container, and inside is the spine phantom with the serial number. Here is our bone density Lunar Prodigy software. We're going to select F2 to measure. Cancel patient. New patient. Click find. And we already have a test set up called Biomed test. Here we enter the first name, which is Biomed, last name test, birthday, which is 40 years from today's date, height 67 inches, weight 154 pounds. We select male and white and press OK. Here's what the image looks like. From here, we're going to select position, and as we select that, we're going to see the detector move. And this little light here, or LED, signals that the laser field is on, which you can see here. And we will align that laser field with the R in lunar, which it is, and make sure that our phantom is horizontal. Now we go back to the software and we select start. And right now, as you can see, it's analyzing and it's starting to scan here as shown. Scan takes about 30 seconds. As you saw, it was green there. Here is the actual completed scan. Next, we're going to go up to the ROIs, which is the region of interest, and click that. And as you can see, we have L2, L3, and L4, and the corresponding values. Here it's 3.68, L3 is 4.10, and L4 is 3.36. The actual values for L2 should be 3 plus or minus 0.02, L3 3.5 plus or minus 0.02, and L4, which should be 4.0 plus or minus 0.02. So we have to make those adjustments in order to line up the values for L2 to L4. Here I've relabeled the ROIs, or region of interest, as you can see, L1 through L4, which now corresponds to the measurements. As you can see, starting at L2, it's 2.78, which we have to adjust to 3.0. We highlight the L2 and adjust it to 3.0. And notice that it has to stay within the intervertebral space. Now we go to L3, which should be 3.5, which it is 3.5, and L4, which should be 4.0 plus or minus 2, which we've adjusted there. Finally, we go up to the results and click results. Now that we've made our calibration adjustments, And then we go down to the measurements here, and we're actually looking at the bone mineral density for L2 and L4 here. And our value is 1.247, and that's supposed to be within plus or minus 2% of our phantom. Now, each phantom has an established bone mineral density value that pertains to each phantom by serial number and value. Our value is 1.234 plus or minus 2%. Our reading is 1.247, which is within plus or minus 2%.